Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm Doug Jackson. I'm the founding member of the law firm of Douglas G. Jackson. Now, I'm here speaking to you today because we're about to start a new newsletter. This newsletter is the very first one. It's going to go out March 1st, 2022. Now, like most newsletters, they are going to have a letter from the president to you. Now, I thought it would be more fun for this very first newsletter, read you out loud the letter instead of making you read it. Just a little touch of personalism as we try to extend our outreach program and make us more involved in your lives and you more involved in the lives of us at the firm. So without further ado, the first letter from the president. Dear friends of the firm, I could not be happier as I write this first letter to you. As you've probably noticed since you're receiving this newsletter, which you've never before received, the firm is making many improvements to what we believe was already a very strong product. Our first and perhaps biggest improvement is that we are working hard to increase outreach. One of the biggest projects to increase our outreach is this very newsletter. This is an exciting project that somewhat showcases the smaller changes that we've been making over the past several months. This newsletter will hopefully pull back the metaphoric hood just a little bit on our operation so that our clients and friends of the firm can see what's underneath. Most of our clients already know that we have a strong and powerful engine, but we believe that our clients would like to see how it actually operates. We intend for this newsletter, which will be released monthly, to highlight what's going on in the firm with our clients and with the law, especially how it relates to our clients. Although the newsletter will only go out about monthly, the life and spirit of the firm don't stop in between newsletters. Therefore, we believe it is only fair to keep updated on social media by creating website content, such as informative articles to keep you updated in the interim between our newsletters. Essentially, the newsletter will be somewhat of a highlight reel so that you can tune in anytime and see if you've missed anything. But you don't have to keep tuning in real time either, because you can just read this monthly newsletter. The firm's newsletter will begin its life by highlighting what has been happening in our newest campaigns. The firm has started several campaigns, and perhaps the most important outreach is our legal information campaign. We realize that most people move about their lives subject to our laws, but often without knowing exactly what are their rights. We want to inform the average, hardworking American what exactly are his or her rights, so that if encountered with a situation where rights may be in question, our readers know what to do and when to get help. We will try to focus on things that we believe impact the lives of most average Americans. Some of these topics will include what we call street rights, which is what is and is not a crime and what police are allowed to make you do and what they cannot make you do. Other topics will include information on constitutional issues, current hot button legal issues and news, and other various legal information that we believe may be helpful to our clients and friends of the firm. Another campaign we are running is our Better Access to Estate Planning campaign. Everyone should have an estate plan, which often includes a last will and testament. Yet these are expensive, and most average Americans don't have an extra $1,000 or more just lying around to pay for it outright. That's why our firm is allowing financing options for up to a year, so that a simple estate planning package, which consists of a will, a power of attorney, and a living will, begins at only $90 per month, which we believe an average, hard-working American like you can afford. Another big change is that we're greatly expanding the reach of who this firm will help. Though the firm has always been a full-service law firm, we've predominantly focused on the disabled, especially veterans and first responders. We've reached a point where our reputation is regularly leading those disabled persons who need our help directly to us. However, we're realizing that there are others who need help in other legal aspects who may not know that this firm can help them. That's why we're changing our marketing to focus on 3 areas of law. First one, wills and estates, which will also include probate. The second, family law, which will also include divorce. The third, criminal law, which will include DUI and other criminal charges. We're very excited about our expectations for 2022. We hope for some big things for the firm and some big things to help you. Remember, get your legal action at the law firm of Douglas G. Jackson.